Overnight, there has been quite a bit more risk-taking back on the table from global investors. Stocks, commodities were up and the US dollar was very weak. It was down to a 16-year low against the Japanese yen. There was some good information coming out of the US, especially coming from consumer, house and jobless claim data. This has really meant that investors have forgotten about the possibility of this recovery really waning and are now even throwing out the possibility that the economy is starting to really strengthen. The US dollar has been very weak and gold has been back in fashion. Generally, what we see when the US dollar is weak is people looking for a good store of value, and gold definitely offers this at this present time. With the US dollar weak, the New Zealand dollar has been trading higher and on Thursday morning was trading at 72.80 against the US dollar. There was some interesting data out overnight from our major land market being the UK. It has been confirmed that the UK economy contracted by 0.3% in the 3 months up until September of this year. Spending was a little bit better than forecasted, although this has been offset by weaker export numbers. The UK economy is likely to start expanding from here on in. Lending is starting to come back into the fold and house prices have started to increase. This will mean that there is good things for the UK economy. Their low pound also means that there is some upside to their exports at this present time, and their economy may be looking a little bit better than previously thought, although the recovery will be slow. 2010 forecast for their economy is only to expand by 1.3%. The UK and Spain are the only two economies in Europe that are still in recession, although this may not be too far away and things are definitely looking a little bit more positive than previously thought. They call this the ham and turkey month in the US at this present time. On Thursday, markets will be closed for the US Thanksgiving holiday. The typical meal for this time is usually ham and turkey, and this has certainly been positive for ham products at this present time. Wholesale pork is up 4% on this month, ham is up 7% and hog futures have increased by 19% this month alone, although these prices have been working off very low levels for this current year. Beef prices have also been up this year, particularly futures prices. It has been interesting to note that feedlot slaughter levels have been well down this year. The average weight has been well down, which does suggest that feedlots are really just trying to get cattle out the door rather than hold onto them for too long. This also suggests to me that there may be a shortage of supply down the track, which is positive for New Zealand.